I want to fight. I want to raid.
Why do you want to fight? What are you fighting for?
That? I want to take her to get back from Alva.
How? What do you see? Power. The power of a king. Power is always dangerous. It attracts the worst and corrupts the best. I never asked.
I know! They say that you are protected by the
God is
God!
only given to
But I don't
those
think so.
who are prepared to love
I think
themselves, to pick it
you
up.
bleed like any other man. I am mine for the boneless! I am a son of Ragnar Lothbrok! All hail your new king!
You know, love, I've come here to ask you to attack Ivor and overthrow him as king of Kettigan.
You don't mean to sail at this time of the year?
That's exactly what I intend to do. Ivor will not be expecting our arrival.
I know my fate. My fate is to kill Ivor. Is this a god?
No God.
Our father would have hated you for slandering and splitting his family.
I don't think so.
You have chosen your weapons. You are entitled to a second shield if the first one is shattered.
Both into the sacred circle. But only one of you will come out of it alive.
We three brothers are to lead us together, as our father would have wished.
We are older than you, Ivor. You can't push us aside. It's unacceptable.
Has won. The son of Ragnar has won.
You cannot speak on behalf of the gods, Peter.
What have you done with our child? With our son?
Odin's son was the fairest and most beautiful of all the gods.
Where is my baby?
Everything is becoming dark. King Alfred's army will not be so easy to overcome as you suppose. Maybe better we find a compromise.
We are all going into the dark.
I'm going to kill him. Betrayed us. He betrayed my father.
It seems to me that you are not a son of Ragnar Lothbrok. Neither am I. But the sons of Ragnar Lothbrok are the most famous people in all our world. And I am not sure that I wish to fight against them. Any of them.
We'll be all right. We are all sons of Ragnar.